Hello, writers! Miss Ennis here. Today, I decided to feature Liam Fluke's writing about the park. He's been teaching me all about what you can do at a park. In his writing, I've seen lots of good things that we've talked about during Writer's Workshop. I see speech bubbles and labels, and Liam, he's been really working on only using uppercase letters for the beginning of a sentence or if it's someone's name. He's also been adding punctuation too. And I know a lot of you are as well. Liam is just one writer that I decided to highlight today, but all of my writers are doing the things that Liam was doing too. So give yourselves a pat on the back. Today, I'm going to teach you something new to try in your All About Books. See, when writers write all about books, they have to use expert words. Now you're probably thinking, what's an expert word? Well, an expert word would be a word that you might just use when you're talking about that thing. So, for example, this is a page from the book Trucks. And you'll notice it's marked with a little arrow and it says hydraulic cylinders. Wow, I've never heard of that before. But it's really important to talking about trucks. So if you have a tough word and you want to include it in your writing, this is your reminder to be a brave speller. Don't shy away from those hard to write words. So for example, when Miss Ennis was writing my ice cream writing, I wanted to use the word delicious because that's an expert word if I wanted to tell about how yummy ice cream is. Now, delicious, I don't hear a power word in there, and it sounds like a really long word, so I don't know if I know how to spell that. What can I do? Well, I'm going to sound out that word and write all the sounds that I hear. So, D-E, D-E. Okay, so D-E, I wrote D-E. You'll see it there on your screen. Lish, delish, L, I, sh. That's that digraph. SH makes the sh sound. Delicious. Oh, that kind of sounds like us. Delicious. See how I did that? And I know you can do it too. So if you get to a tough expert word and you're not sure, make sure to stretch out all the sounds that you hear and write a letter for each of those sounds. All right, friends. Tomorrow when you get writing, I don't want you to shy away from those hard to write words. Give it your best and sound out all the words, sound out all the letters that you hear and write them down. Okay, nice work today, friends. And tomorrow, I want to see lots of expert words in your writing.